Die Lakeside brandweerstasie dien vir die laaste 5 dae as die beheersentrum vir alles en almal wat te doen het met die massiewe brand wat oor die laaste week ongeveer 4000 hektaar van die Kaapse Skiereiland verwoes het. Daar is groot skade, ja, maar as dit nie vir die uithou vermoë en die vasberadenheid van die brandbestryders en die ander vrywilligers hier gewees het nie, sou dit waarskynlik baie erger gewees het.
Dit was die grootste vuur wat ek al ooit ge-experience het.
We realized that, listen, this isn't a Mickey Mouse fire, this is serious.
I realized it was serious when I monitored the radio, and that was Sunday morning.
When we have a major fire like this,
You don't wait for the call out, you just come to Newlands because you know something is going to come through.
everybody gets called in.
Nou met die vuur, ja, my ma was bietjie baie ge-worried geweest.
We knew that when we joined this job, there might be a possibility that we would not come home. And I guess the wife also married into this job. She's part of this job.
You feel that pride by just putting on the uniform. Whether it's clean, dirty, or it's just that sense of pride when you put it on.
So kan vroue dit ook doen?
Hoekom nie as mense dit kan doen, kan vroumense dit ook doen nie.
There will always be excitement because at the end of the day, once you've seen what you've done and accomplished, it's just that sense of satisfaction that yes, I contributed a little bit to it.
None of the guys here is in it for the money. Doing this job, it's a job that it's a calling. It's not actually a job.